Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video we're going to be doing some pink nails, and honestly this is just a freestyle that I just decided to do because I didn't have really any ideas or any sets I wanted to recreate. So I'm starting off with this beautiful nude cat eye color from Born Pretty, and I'm just going to be applying one coat of this and then obviously doing the cat eye effect, and then on top of this I'm going to be doing a pink French tip and then some weird like airbrush type of design. So just stick around to see how I do it. But I'm going to be using this pink color from Melody Susie, and like I said, I'm going to be doing a French tip. So I did 2 coats of that, and now I'm taking this pigment powder with this eyeshadow brush and just creating an airbrush type effect. And I didn't apply any top coat, any matte top coat or anything like that. This is just the sticky gel polish that I'm applying this pigment powder to. And then I'm going to be adding a base coat. Now I only added a base coat like on the middle nail onwards because I didn't think about it before I got into adding the charms. But definitely add a base coat because the charm glue that I put on ended up like kind of making the airbrush look streaky and weird. So definitely apply a base coat over this pigment powder once you're done applying it, just in case you want to put more on top of it. Now this is definitely the quickest and easiest way in my opinion to do an airbrush, and even using an airbrush machine is not easy, so I think this is the quickest and easiest way. Now I'm going to be doing some weird like abstract design. I don't know what the plan was here, but I just have seen this on some nails like with black and like 90s nails, so I was like, okay, let me just try this design. And I was freestyling like I said, so I wasn't looking at anything, so I don't really know if I'm doing it right, but I'm basically just putting a line on the nail and then putting some dots over top of it. Nothing complicated at all. And for this I used some Rosalind liner, gel liner, which is only on, well, for the last time I checked, it's only on AliExpress. So after I finish that, I'm applying that extension gel slash nail glue, whatever you want to call it, and this is what I'm using to adhere the charms on my thumb and index nail. I ended up using a thicker gel for the rest because it was just getting annoying, my charms moving and sliding and falling off. But I really need to buy some rhinestone glue, y'all, so I'm gonna get some Macart rhinestone glue soon, but for now I'm just dealing with what I have. And I'm basically applying the charms along this bottom line that I created, and I'm ignoring that top line because it's just there for decoration and cutesiness. And yeah, I'm just applying these charms kind of randomly in a line that's kind of, dynamic with the design I've already made. So this design honestly is very simple, not complicated at all. As you can see, doing the base of it was super easy, and now I'm just applying charms, and the charms is the last step. So for the rest of the video, I'm going to be applying charms. I don't think I'm going to talk for the rest of the video because I did just get my wisdom teeth out, so I don't want to talk too much. So I'm just going to let y'all enjoy the charm application because it's very satisfying, very beautiful. So I'll come back if anything needs to be said. So with this being the last nail, I just wanted to come in and make sure y'all are enjoying this little tutorial. And if you are, please leave a like and leave a comment. Let me know what you think of the nails in the comments, please, because then I know what kind of nails y'all want to see in the future. And also be sure to subscribe because I'm posting weekly. I promise I won't disappear for 3 weeks again. That was an accident, sorry. And just let me know what type of nails y'all want to see or any ideas y'all might have, because honestly I'm in a creative block right now, especially since I've gotten my teeth pulled out. Oh my goodness gracious, it's just been terrible. But that's basically the nails for today. I really love how they turned out. They're really cute. So like I said, let me know what y'all think of them in the comments below, and be sure to check my Instagram out in my description as well. And I hope to see y'all in my next video. Bye.